Hello everybody. So we're in Shinjuku today and I thought I'd take you guys for a short stroll. We're gonna cross the street right now and we're gonna walk down this small little street. This is Kabukicho in Shinjuku. And if you look really carefully, all the way down there on the top, you'll see Godzilla's head. So we're gonna walk down the street, we're gonna go up that building to check out Godzilla, and then we're gonna take another street back to this street. That's Don Quixote on the right. That's a super great store, but I don't recommend that one because it's a bit too cramped. There's another Don Quixote just 15 minutes away from here, so yeah, don't go to that one. Not a pleasant experience. So I'm gonna try not to talk so much because I want you guys to just enjoy the atmosphere of this area. Shinjuku is like my hood. I mean, it's just a couple of stations away from where I live, and yeah, there's there's everything that you could want just in this part of town. Yeah, a lot of restaurants you see on either side of me. Like that's like a sushi place right here. There's yakitori place right upstairs of that one, and then there's a karaoke box. That's a karaoke. There are two karaoke boxes right next to each other on my left. And straight ahead where Godzilla is, that's a hotel as well as a movie theater complex. So if you're looking to watch a movie in comfortable seats, yeah, check it out. Right here, this is Tenka Ippin. This is a really popular ramen chain, and yeah, recommended. One of Satoshi's favorite. And let's see, what else? What else is here? I mean, there's so many things here. Okay, I am going to shut up because I am talking too much. I promised you guys I wasn't going to talk too much, but here I am, babbling away. Okay, let's go check out Godzilla. And you know what, guys? I am going to admit it. This is my first time that I'm up here in the building. I didn't even know that you could come up here. Yeah, you can come up here even if you're not staying at the hotel. It's on the 8th floor of this building, and you can get a close-up look at Godzilla. The other great thing is there's a pretty good view of Kabukicho and Shinjuku from here, and it's completely free. Here, let's look down a little bit. This is where we just came from. Yeah, this is a street that we were walking on. From up here, the Godzilla's head is quite large, so as you can see, it hardly fits in my camera. Okay, we're back down on street level. This is not the same street that we came on, but yeah, let's walk down this street and get back to where we started from. Now, Kabukicho is a huge place. Actually, Shinjuku, the entire place, is like a city within the city of Tokyo. I mean, you could spend your entire vacation just in Shinjuku, which I don't recommend because, I mean, Tokyo is a big city and there's a lot more to see, and you know, yeah, don't stay here, you know, during your entire vacation. But yeah, Shinjuku has everything. This is just one part of Shinjuku. There's the east side, west side, and each area has its own flavor. But yeah, this is Kabukicho, and Kabukicho itself is huge, and there are blocks and blocks and blocks of bars and restaurants, and yeah, there's even some seedy areas because this is, after all, the red light district. But it's different from other red light districts in other countries. It's quite safe, and especially during the day, there's no problem walking around. Now there used to be a Thai restaurant on Bantai on the right side, but for some reason I don't see it anymore. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and this walk of Shinjuku, Kabukicho. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Hope you enjoy these random videos of Tokyo and my life. Until next time, have a great day, have a great week wherever you are. Bye bye.